Morning guys, this is Bhupen Singh Baghel in front of you. First of all, I would like to say thank you Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir who gave me this opportunity. I take this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to say thank you all of you. So I would like to say something about my today's topic. So my today's topic is sowing the charity. To give donation and charity, it is a very good work and we should always help the helpless people. Donation is something such as money, cloth, food, and in order to help poor and needy person. Okay, but nowadays most of people take this in a wrong way. They click the picture, they make the video, and it has become a trend, and this trend is running whole over the country. If I watched in the corona period, most of people help the many people, but at the time of donating they were clicking the pictures, they were making the videos. So I think it is very awkward. And what message do you want to give the society? That you are a social worker. So if you are a social worker, so what is the need to advertise yourself by the clicking picture? Okay, if you want to help someone, so donate that you want. Okay, but not you should not need to click the picture, you should not need to make the videos. Okay, and one more thing I want to especially tell the donator does not understand that you have no right to in the name of helping you showed that you are rich and he is poor. No one become a poor by his choice, but something bad happen in their life, after that they become a poor, and no one can live a life like a poor, because a poor some days they have a food, some days they sleep hungry, and it can be happens anyone's life. There are many beggars in our country. Some of them beg outside of the roads, and some of them beg in the streets. Most of the people make fun of them because they are very helpless. I have one question. From where are we learning sowing the charity? According to me, we are learning from the politician, because at the time of the election we watched that politician announce and offer many offers. They give us many offers, but people are very innocent. They stand in a very long queue for getting free things, and that time politician come there and they click the picture and they make the video to promote their party to win the election at that time. But after the election, they do not complete their announces, they do not complete their offers. So I have one more example. It was an incident of last year it happened in the Rajasthan. Some politician uses a picture of a farmer, okay, to promote their policies, but the farmer went to the court and registered a case, and court fined to that politician sum of lakh rupees, and court said that you have no right to use anyone picture without his permission. Okay, so I have one more. According to me, I watched many YouTubers. They help to the needy person and they make the video, they click the pictures. But what is the reason behind this? The reason is that because they want to earn money, and they become popular to uploading these videos and photos on their social accounts. Okay, so in a nutshell, I want to say something. There is no one rich and poor, there is only humans. So stop sowing the money and start spreading humanity. In a very nutshell, donation should be done in such a way. Donation should be done in such a way. If you are donating from your right hand, so your left hand should not be knowing about this. If you are sowing your money, it is very wrong. So thank you all of you.